Hi, I'm Emery Collins, and this is homework 6, part 1. To begin, we have our facial detection algorithm where we import our packages and we define our height and width at 480 and 640 respectively. These values were determined by grabbing an input frame from the camera and using the size function to determine these values. Then we initialize our camera for recording and initialize a counter variable to see how many frames we have gone through. Then we go ahead and import our deep neural network files, save them as net, short for network. Then we go ahead and create a while loop for an arbitrary 300 frames. For those 300 frames, it'll read in an image, show it to the screen, and then construct a blob, which is a collection of images that uses mean subtraction and normalization. And then we pass that blob through the network, and through that we determine the detections array, which is what allows us to determine if a detection has been made. If a detection has been made with confidence greater than our threshold, which is 0.5, then we go ahead and move on. Moving on, meaning we define our bounding box here that encompasses the area of the head, and then we go ahead and create the rectangle using that bounding box, and then we go ahead and print the text of our confidence percentage, which is just how confident the computer is that a human face is in the screen. Then we go ahead and write that out and show our output to the screen. So if we go ahead and we run this, I'm already in the frame, so it should go ahead and pop up. Yep, we have pretty good confidence here. I'll move around a little bit, but it's been a little wacky. I will say my camera's frame rate and resolution is pretty bad, but that's fine. You get the gist. And now we can move on to our smart detection, which is our enhancing this algorithm to make it so that it does the same thing as the smart doorbell. The beginning is the exact same, except the way I did it was I determined that there was a person and that there was a detection of a human if the confidence had been reached. So if that confidence has been reached, then the smart doorbell has detected someone, and it prints that, and then it prints recording video. Then we record, say, 400 frames. I changed that to 350. I shortened it a little bit. But then we go ahead and we repeat all of the beginning of the code, because we need to now grab a new frame again and pass that through the blob again, determine our confidence and whatnot. I have this if recorded frame equals 300, print video ending soon, because that means there's only 50 frames left. Then we go ahead and we reconstruct our blob and set all that. Then we have another confidence threshold to achieve, because without that, then there's just a bunch of red boxes all over the screen. So we have to, pass it through another confidence threshold, and then we do our bounding box and draw a rectangle and put the text out there, and then we write it out as an image. When this whole loop is done, we will have successfully recorded the video, so we print recorded video. So if we go ahead and go out, I will smart detection. I'm going to get out of the frame, so it just should not capture anything at first. It should just count frames. I'm passing. I know it's not showing it. I don't know how I could show it, but I'm waving my hand in front of the screen. Nothing's happening. So now I get in front of the screen and it's recording the video. And here we are. Some time will pass, 300 frames, and this will shortly say video ending soon or recording ending soon. So I get out of the way again so that it doesn't catch me again, and then I quit. So now if we go into our file, we should have a detected face video where I'm in, and there I am. It's sped up for time purpose, but there it is. You can see that it is actively seeing my face, and then I leave and it. Okay, I'm back. So now I just want to show through my phone the smart detection in process, so that you can actually see that when I run this and I put something in front of the frame, it doesn't get detected. So I'll pass this around, you know, passing that. It's not getting anything, not getting anything. Then we get in the frame, and then it says it's recording and that someone has been detected. So now here we are taking a video of a video, and we'll just cut this short because I already got a good video in here. And we go ahead, we look at the detected, and it won't be my hand, it'll be me. So cheers.